We'll guide you through how to understand Stripe payment so you can manage your transactions with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub for all Stripe activities. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Payments to get a detailed view of all the transactions. This section shows you a list of payments with details like the date, amount, and payment method. If you want to dive deeper into a specific transaction, click on it for more information. Here, you'll find the status of the payment, customer details, and any fees associated. To understand your payouts, go back to the menu and click on Transaction, and go to Payouts. This will show you how much money is being transferred to your bank account and when. Now, if you want to set up or change your payment methods, click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Here you can configure payment methods such as credit cards, bank transfers, or digital wallets. You can also manage your account settings and security details from this section. To get reports or insights, go to the Reports section from the menu. You can generate custom reports to help you analyze your business performance over time. Remember, Stripe also offers great support documentation and forums if you need more detailed help or have specific questions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.